Have you ever wondered how DJs blend songs so smoothly? Or how they turn an old track into a completely new remix? DJing isn't just about pressing play, it's about rhythm, creativity, and controlling the vibe of a crowd. In this video, I'll break down the basics of DJing and remix music production. So whether you're just curious or ready to start mixing yourself, you'll understand exactly how it works. Part 1. What does a DJ actually do? A DJ, or disc jockey, plays and blends music for an audience. But it's not just about playing songs. It's about choosing the right songs, syncing the beat, adjusting EQs, reading the crowd, and maintaining energy. In clubs or festivals, at parties, or even live on platforms like YouTube or Twitch, DJs build journeys out of sound. There are several different types of DJs. Club DJs play for live crowds. Radio DJs curate playlists for broadcast. Turntable DJs use scratching and effects as performance art. And producer DJs make original tracks and remixes. In many cases, a DJ can be more than one type, especially famous ones who are often both producers and club DJs. Part 2. DJ Gear. Now let's talk about gear. DJs use setups that usually include the following. First, at least 2 decks to play 2 tracks at once or mix from one track to the next. More advanced setups include 3 or 4 decks. Second, a mixer, which is used to blend between the decks. Third, headphones, which are used to listen to and cue up the next song. And 4, finally, a laptop or USB drive with stored music. In the old days, it used to be vinyl records. There are still some vinyl DJs out there, but nowadays, it's mostly digital. Popular gear includes the following. 1. Pioneer CDJs, which are the industry standard in clubs. 2. DJ controllers. These are all-in-one devices that are especially good for beginners. They're budget-friendly and portable, so if you're just starting, this is a great option. 3. Software like Serato, Pioneer's Rekordbox, or Traktor. You can actually just play straight from your laptop, but in most cases, you'll use this software together with CDJs or DJ controllers. As for using the gear, the main DJing activities are to load tracks, match their tempos, and blend them using EQ knobs and faders. There are also effects like reverb, filters, or delays to help the transitions sound smooth and more creative. Part 3. Beat matching and mixing. Beat matching means syncing the tempos of 2 tracks so that they blend smoothly. The tempo is basically referred to as beats per minute, or BPM, which will vary per genre. You can do the beat matching manually by adjusting pitch sliders, or let software auto-sync it. But true skills comes from listening and doing this by ear. In addition to beat matching, DJs also learn how to 1. EQ matching, such as reducing bass in one track while increasing it in the other. 2. Phrase matching, which is blending songs at logical points, like drops or the chorus. And 3. There is also using effects like filters, echo, and loops to spice up transitions. The more seamless your transitions, the more immersive the experience will be for your audience. Part 4. What is remixing? Remixing is taking an existing song and reimagining it. You might change the beat, tempo, vibe, or even genre. A remix can be subtle or radical. Here are a few types. Club remixes, which are built for the dance floor. Lo-fi remixes, which are chill, slower versions of upbeat tracks. Mashups, which is mixing 2 or more songs together. To remix, producers usually work with the song's stems. These are separate tracks like vocals, drums, or bass. If you don't have the stems, you can use tools like Moises.ai or Isotope RX to isolate vocals or instruments. Part 5. Tools and software for producing and remixing. Most DJs who remix music also produce music using DAWs, digital audio workstations. The most popular ones are the following. Ableton Live, perfect for remixing and live sets. FL Studio, great for beginners and beat making. Logic Pro X, this is a very powerful tool for Mac users. Serato Studio, this is remix focused and very DJ friendly. With a digital audio workstation, you can chop vocals, change tempo, add your own drums, synths, and effects, and export a fresh version of the song. Many remixers also use MIDI keyboards, drum pads, and plugins like Serum or Contact for custom sounds. Part 6. Reading the crowd and setting a vibe. Being a DJ isn't just technical, it's emotional. You're reading energy. Are people dancing? Do they look bored? A great DJ can shift the whole atmosphere of a party. Knowing when to slow it down, when to build up, when to drop a classic is part science and part intuition. The more you DJ in front of crowds, the better you'll get at reading the crowd and the dance floor. Part 7. How to get started. If you want to start DJing or remixing, here's what I recommend. 1. Download Serato DJ Lite, Pioneer's Record Box, or Virtual DJ to practice. 2. Try a controller like the Pioneer DDJ-400 or Newmark Mixtrack. 3. For remixing, grab Ableton Live Lite or FL Studio Trial. 4. Watch YouTube tutorials. There are tons of videos out there for free learning, so take advantage of them. 5. Practice transitions. Record your mixes, share them, and learn from feedback. 6. Remix songs you love. Get creative and just have fun. There's never been easier to start, and the only thing standing between you and great mixes is consistency and curiosity. Finally, DJing and remixing is a blend of art, rhythm, and technology, and anyone can learn to do it. Whether you want to light up a dance floor or just create cool remixes at home, you've got everything you need to start. So just go for it, let the energy flow, and get the party started. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite DJs or songs you'd love to remix. I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!